The election postponement bill for the BARM's midterm polls has cleared third and final reading in the Senate, with the reset of the midterm elections slated for May 12 moved to October 13 this year, with the House expected to pass their version of the bill and the Bicameral Conference Committee to unify the House and Senate versions. Thereafter, Senate President Francis Chis Escudero wants no more delays or extensions, while his predecessor and colleague Senator Miguel Zubiri prays for another shot for plebiscite in Sulu to keep them in the BARM. As our Danielle Manalastas has this report.
The Bicameral Conference Committee agreed to postpone for 5 months the BARM elections as they agreed set it aside for on October 13, 2025, which was originally planned to happen on May 2025. Senate President Francis Escudero explained his reason why the BARM elections was not postponed for 1 year.
Masyado nang matagal at actually, ang totoong rason ko, personally, hindi ko alam yung rason iba. Pag 1 year, di masapat na panahon na naman ng Kongreso para i-reset uli yan. Mas maikli, mas maganda para sa akin para wala ng panahon na i-reset pang muli. Dapat matuloy na ang halalan sa BAR.
Senator J.V. Ejercito explained how they used the Senate's version as working draft, but also used some provisions from the House.
Nag-compromise na lang. So, yung sa House na dapat 1 year and then being expired yung term, ginawa na lang or appointment, ginawa ng 5 months sa Senate version and hold over. Kumbaga hanggang after the elections.
Some senators meanwhile explained their votes on the bill during its approval on third reading.
Kaya pumapayag lang po ako na yun para lang pwede natin pag-usapan yung panukala na magbibigay muli ng plebisito sa Sulu para maisama muli sila sa BARM. Give them a chance, no? One last chance to make that self-determination kung talagang gusto nilang masama sa BARM.
The Senate meanwhile ratified the BICAM report. From PTV Manila, Daniel Manalastas, Balitang Pambansa.